Alright, we're here in the Michigan basement. Is it a Michigan basement or a basement in Michigan? Ponder that. Yep. And here's what we got today. Hotpoint install. Not a big Hotpoint fan. Not a big GE fan. But it was the cheapest one they had. And the old Space Saver stack Kenmore Deluxe, which is lying on its side in an ignominious heap. It's making clanking noises, so it made its last clank as it fell sideways. I had a little bit of a hard time maneuvering that around, so anyways, we got Whirlpool high efficiency washer. And got a Hotpoint dryer. And I replaced the fridge. I replaced the fridge in like June or something, so, and I noticed a difference on the electric bill right away. So that's where I'm at here in beautiful Grand Rapids after finishing up the Hotpoint install. If you like my videos, please comment, rate, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.